I'm going to make some stuffed potato skins. And why? Because my wife made a load of twice baked mashed potatoes with like 20 skins left over. We had a little party. And I took like 4 pieces and we're going to put these in the oven. I'm not putting any butter or oil on them. I want them to be crispy like this without being greasy. And the reason why I say my way is because I'm not making it the traditional way. I took 8 ounces of raw Italian sausage, diced it up when it was frozen, easy to dice, so you don't have to fool around with it later. And some onion. And I'm going to cook this together in some 2 large garlic cloves. Once this is cooked, I'm going to lay it inside the toasted skins, which, excuse me, I'm heating the oven to 500 degrees convection, which is really 475 that it shows. So if you're doing this in a non-convection oven, I would set it to 500. Which I'll be doing soon. This, not adding anything to that, but just a drop of salt, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and that's about it. I'm going to put cheddar cheese, which I have shredded up, and some fresh ground up Reggiano. So I don't have to waste time cooking this because I'm sure that you can cook this. You don't need grease in there because there's enough fat on the sausage. You could put some herbs on there if you wish. I'm not going to waste time with watching this, so I'm going to shut the film off and keep cooking. Now as I'm standing here thinking about what this is, and I go, I have a better idea. And what it is that this is going to be breakfast. Now I'm adding a big chunk of butter for flavor because I'm mixing egg into this. This is going to be exciting. This is great for breakfast. Well, you have to have the leftover skins. If you bake the potato, take the potato out, either eat it or make hash browns with it. And this has been about 8 minutes of cooking the sausage, which is done. And now I add 2 scrambled eggs. I should say 2 beaten eggs to be scrambled. This is going to be heavy and nice. And the potato skins, the oven is hot now, so the potato skins can go in. Okay, so this is done except for the item that I'm getting now. Cut that off. The sriracha hot chili sauce. So you want to have a bite. Okay? See how much I put in there? You could put more, you could put less. It's going to be a lovely breakfast. cheese over it like this. Oh, it's like I just invented a new stuffed potato skins. And nobody can disagree with the ingredients in this recipe because it's whatever you want it to be. So we'll cut this off for now until the skins are ready. Okay, now the skins came out after 10 minutes. Not crispy, but hard, just the way I wanted them. And I just I opened the oven door to bring it down to the lowest setting for convection at 350. And I'm only going to make one, because if I make more than one, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to eat more than one. And the rest I'll save. I'll stuff them, but I won't put the cheese on. If you want to put more egg, you can. And to top it, besides the cheese, traditionally they put sour cream. I say use sour cream or yogurt, but I'm not doing that. Why? Because this is breakfast. It might taste good, it might not. And there's enough moisture in this filling that it'll be good. And if you want to have more potato in your skin, so take out less. That's all. If you want to see more, well, this is as far down as you can go without just having skin left over. And then we put the cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese. I think this is a great breakfast item. By accident. And this is my freshly ground up Romano Reggiano and Parmesan mixed together. Now what I am going to do on top of this is just put a little either melted butter or a little olive oil. Since I have butter now mixed in with the egg, I'm not going to put any butter on there, but you can. But I have my olive oil in my spray bottle. I'll just give it a shot. I'm going to wait a few minutes because the oven is still very hot, and I just want to melt that and not kill it. So I'll take these 3 pieces out, which I'm going to stuff, save, put it in the refrigerator, and then later on, when I'm ready to eat them, maybe I'll have an appetizer, one of these for dinner tonight with my wife, if she would like it. If not, I'll probably have it for breakfast again tomorrow. Now I'm going into the oven. I sprinkle a little dried thyme on mine. All done. I take this, put it on a plate. Now I'm going to sit down and enjoy this. I know it's going to be good because I like sausage, onions, garlic, cheese. Enjoy.